Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into presentation. 9 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Statement. Which means a definite or clear expression of something in speech or writing. Statement. For example, do you agree with this statement? Number 2. Speech. Which means a formal address or discourse delivered to an audience. Speech. For example, an after-dinner speech. Number 3. Demonstration. Which means a practical exhibition and explanation of how something works or is performed. Demonstration. For example, a microwave cookery demonstration. Number 4. Exhibition. Which means a public display of works of art or items of interest, held in an art gallery or museum or at a trade fair. Exhibition. For example, an exhibition of French sculpture. Number 5. Talk. Which means an informal address or lecture. Talk. For example, a 30-minute illustrated talk. Number 6. Introduction. Which means a formal presentation of one person to another, in which each is told the other's name. Introduction. For example, he wished for an introduction to the king. Number 7. Lecture. Which means an educational talk to an audience, especially one of students in a university. Lecture. For example, in each course there are supporting lectures and tutorials. Number 8. Display. Which means a collection of objects arranged for public viewing. Display. For example, the museum houses an informative display of rocks. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.